Hey y'all, Phil again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We had a customer swing by the shop today, brought his 2010 F150. It's a Harley Davidson edition, riding on Fosses and 35's. Let's go. All right guys, like I said, 2010 F150, this is the Harley Davidson edition, so she is pretty tricked out. As you can see, it's lifted up about 4 inches in the front, and that is from the Dirt Logic coilovers up here, so you get about 4 inches of lift there. And then he also went in and put the Fabtech Uniball upper control arms in as well. And you can see this is a reservoir here for the coilover. So this truck rides absolutely beautiful. Wheels and tires. You already know these are Forces, you've seen them before, but these things look absolutely killer on this truck. This is the American Force 0 SS is what they're called. So you can see it's kind of like a big flat face to this wheel, looks super killer. He's got the black center cap. I really like the contrast there with this black truck, as well as the spike lug nuts. And it does have the milling around the outside, and kind of some nice depth here to this wheel. So you got the face and then it's milled back as well. We'll give you a quick lip test. This is a negative 25 offset. American Force does it a little bit differently than the rest of the guys. So you can see, if you go right to the edge, you're getting right around that almost 5.5 inch lip on there. So pretty good for a 10 wide. Tires are the Nitto Ridge Grappler, and this is a 35 by 1250. So that's 35 tall, and then 12.5 wide. So you can see you do get a little bit of bulging on the side, just enough to protect this from curbs, you know, if you happen to bump against one. But you know, nothing major there. Real nice look. As far as stance goes, you can see sticking out, these are the factory painted flares, probably right around that 2.5 to 3 inches, a little bit more so as you come down the bumper because that curves back in. Trimming wise up front, we'll give you a peek in here. It's just the plastic of the bumper and the lower valence, just a little bit. And this was done, you know, by somebody else, not by us, but you can see it's just trimmed there. Just a hair. Out back, it looks like it's not trimmed, but you can see that it's been rubbing just a hair on the back of this flare. So you could pop those off or just cut out the plastic there and you'd be all set. Walking out back, obviously same wheel and tire, no fitment issues here, but he also has the 2.5 inch Dirt Logic shocks in the rear, the reservoirs in the rear as well. So overall, truck rides super nice with this. It does also retain the factory rake. So if you back up and take a look at the truck, you'll see that the front does sit a hair lower than the rear. So if you're doing any towing, I notice he does have a hitch on here, so we've got a boat or something like that. This is, you know, set up that you'll sit nice and level while towing. This is all factory stuff here with the Harley Davidson badge on the side. You can see, just nice, you know, that's chrome. Wheels being polished, looks really sharp. We'll walk out back. Got the Magnet Flow dual exhaust on here as well. And then the Harley Davidson emblems all the way around the truck. Give you a quick peek at the interior. This truck is super clean. I absolutely love these seats too. Very sharp looking truck. He's got a stereo system in here as well. Got a couple of 12-inch subs, so she really pounds. And then lastly, these running boards are also the powered steps. So you see those go up there. Absolutely killer truck, really love it. It's got some custom graphic work on the side there too. And just overall, like I said, really clean truck. Rounding out the front, you can see he's got the paint to match bumper. And then the headlights are factory, but Ford offers a couple different options. These are like the black housing ones. So it just looks really sharp on this truck. And he's got the 50 cal antenna as well. So that about rounds it out. That's your 2010 F150 sitting on some forces and 35s. So hope you guys like it. Make sure you like us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Peace.